automatic.
This is the treadmill, and that is how it looks like when it's assembled. It's just folding this up. But before the first use, you should be sure there is oil. But I first thinking is come with the treadmill, but there is no oil in. That means I've been on the shop and buy the silicone oil. This one, and should be good. I just will be show you how to do it now. How to lubricate with silicone oil or treadmill. This is the one I have it. And just spray it, shake it, and spray it underneath. And this side as well. Okay, that should be enough. Let's switch on for 5 minutes and that's it. Okay, and this is how it looks like, this treadmill, ROBORE CW1F. It's got a 1 meter long this side and 40 centimeters from this side. You got a just power button switch on here, which is show you small display, and you also got a panel for on off and plus minus over here. We also got a 3 and 6 speed straight away here button, and we also have a remote control, you can use it, and here is also safety button which must be in when you want to switch on, and it's simple. Once you switch on, it's count 1, 3, 2, 0, and now show you it's working. And also here's the speed, and proof is go up to 12, which look at that, we can show you like button over here it's got straight away 3, straight away 6, and on the top speed is 12, which is really fast, even for running. Okay, this is how it looks, this treadmill. Hopefully you like it. If you not want to see more, let me know, I will show you. And yeah, this is it. Click like, subscribe, and stay tuned on my channel. See ya.